Check this out. This is Hikoki's cordless rebar bender and cutter. Turn this tool over onto its side and it'll cut up to 16mm rebar in 2.6 seconds with none of the effort of cutting it manually. And if you're cutting 12mm rebar like I am here, off a single battery you should get 175 cuts. And then when it comes to bending rebar, this tool changes the game as well. You've got a dial up on top to set the angle, and on each setting there are 3 squares. That allows for the variation in the thickness or the diameter of your rebar from 10, 12 or 16mm. And once it's set, you just squeeze the trigger and it dials in your angle straight away in one smooth, stepless stroke. And you can even bend multiples of the smaller sizes at the same time. I'm bending 2 12mm at the same time here, and by doing that off a single charge, you should be able to get 310 bends. With that variable speed trigger, you can dial in a custom angle just by eyeballing it and releasing the trigger, and you can reverse the rotation mode by switching it to manual mode as well. It's a massive time and back saver, so that's a money saver in the long run as well. It's cordless, so there's no tags when taking it out on site, and it's also powered by Hikoki's multi-volt batteries, which are backwards compatible with all of Hikoki's 18 and 36-volt tools. And this bender and cutter comes in a combo kit with 2.5 to 5 amp hour multi-volt batteries and charger, as well as this sturdy hard case for storage and transport. This unit's included in our Black Friday sale as well, so the price is reduced, so make sure you check that out. We also give you a free battery with it, and it qualifies for a redemption worth up to $499 as well. So make sure you don't miss out on that. Get amongst it. Check out the rest of our Black Friday deals while you're at it. Go to sydneytools.com.au for all the deals, and we'll ship it to you Australia-wide, or you can go in store to your local Sydney Tools store. And if you've got any questions, don't hesitate to hit me up in that comment section down below. Until next time, I'm Tim, and thanks for watching Sydney Tools TV.